In this video, I'll help you find the best blender for smoothies. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. First, the Ninja NJ601 AMZ professional blender priced at $64.99 is a powerful choice for smoothie enthusiasts. It boasts a 1000 watt motor and a large 72-ounce pitcher, ideal for making large batches. The total crushing technology ensures that ice, fruits, and vegetables are pulverized in seconds, delivering smooth and consistent results. It's versatile not just for smoothies, but also for sauces, dips, and even snow from ice. The blender comes with a 10 recipe guide for inspiration and is designed with ease of cleaning in mind, being dishwasher safe and BPA free. Next up is the Ninja BN301 Nutri Blender Plus, available for $59.99. This compact personal blender with a 900 peak watt motor is perfect for individual servings. It comes with a 3 20-ounce Ninja To Go cups, 2 spout lids, and 1 storage lid, offering convenience for on-the-go lifestyles. The Pro Extractor Blaze assembly easily crushes ice and breaks down whole fruits and veggies. The blender also includes a 20 recipe inspiration guide. Its parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. For a simple and efficient option, consider the NutriBullet Personal Blender, priced at $57. It features a 600 watt motor and comes with a 24-ounce cup. The blender is designed for ease of use with just a push and a twist action. It's ideal for those looking to make a quick, nutritious smoothies without complex settings or buttons. Cleaning is straightforward with dishwasher-safe cups and easy-to-rinse blades. The NutriBullet is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring reliability and safety. Next up, we have the Magic Bullet Blender at $36.49. It's the most budget-friendly option. Despite its small size and a 250 watt motor, it's quite versatile, capable of blending, mixing, and chopping. The set includes various cups and lids, catering to different needs and quantities. The stainless steel crossplate is durable and all parts are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. This blender is perfect for individuals or small families looking for a compact and affordable option. Lastly, the Ninja BC51NV Blast Portable Blender, priced at $59.99, offers the convenience of portability. It has a rechargeable 7.4V USB-C base, allowing you to blend anywhere without a cord. The 18-ounce vessel is perfect for personal servings, and easy-to-use sip lid adds convenience. The blender is designed with Ninja Blast technology for powerful blending, especially through ice and frozen ingredients. It's an excellent choice for those who enjoy smoothies on the go and appreciate the ease of a cordless rechargeable blender. When choosing the best blender for smoothies, consider the power, capacity, and convenience features that suit your lifestyle. Whether you need a high-capacity blender like the Ninja NJ601 AMZ, a personal blender like the NutriBullet, or a portable option like the Ninja BC51NV, there's a blender for every need and preference. So there you have it, my list of the best blenders for smoothies. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description. Thank you for watching. Till next time.